buy my house in cash, which is like the dumbest thing I've ever heard anybody do.
It's buying your house in cash.
Yeah.
That's stupid to you.
That's real stupid to me.
Why?
Because there's zero chance I can't go make more than 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 12% of my money. Why would I want to give it to somebody? Why would I ever want to pay my house off? Literally. And go like, but I mean, I don't have to worry about the mortgage now. I'm like, yeah, but dude, that's 400 grand of money that we could be doing something with. And we meaning you, not me, bro. I would never be able to start my business had I paid my houses off in cash. When I built a life insurance company, I bought a $1.2 million house. The first thing I did after I got it was go get a second mortgage on it. I was like, dude, can I get one of them second mortgage, like a home equity deal? They're like, yeah, you have some equity. I made that thing 1.4 million I owed at like 6.5%. I was fired the fuck up. I kept all my money, kept making it. And I was growing the company at 100% a clip. It was obnoxious how much money we're making. But I needed that money to fund my business.
Yeah.
And I think the problem with the short-sightedness of let's live in fear. You know, if you live a debt-free life, yeah, dude, one day you'll have a house that's paid off and you'll die. Congratulations. Good work. You know, you have a house that's going to get smoked in fees when you say hand it over to your kids. Like, who gives a shit, dude? You lived your whole life for that.